Hey guys, that card collector back here for the video, guys. Today we're opening up count it, three mega boxes. So these boxes, of course, are from Fanatics.com or NFL Shop, depending on where you get them. They are sold out though, so you cannot get them anymore, but they were retailing for around $100. These boxes are absolutely insane. They do, of course, contain 10 packs per box and 4 cards per pack. So the chances are, will we pull some fire? I don't know. I mean, there's definitely a chance. Are we going to? We have to wait and see on that one. But again, this video will be 3 different boxes. So in a way, like kind of like a case break, because whenever you do case breaks, usually you have like 3 boxes just like this. Anyway, though, let's go ahead and get the packs all out here. We're going to go ahead and line up the packs one by one here, each stack. For each box, and then we'll go ahead and just get right into the pack opening. I kind of do like these packs, is the way they look. I am kind of a fan of Patrick Mahomes, so I definitely love seeing packs consisting of Patrick Mahomes. Will we pull them today? Honestly, hopefully not. The guys we want to pull, and the key highlights from these boxes, guys, are going to be the younger players like Tua, like Joe Burrow, and I can't think of another guy off the top of my head. Kyler Murray would be a nice pull, but that's not a player we really want to focus on. Because if we pull like a Joe Burrow, something like that, it's going to be absolutely game-breaking. And probably going to be like a couple grand. I mean, a Joe Burrow out of this, numbered out of 5, would be a couple grand to say the least. And that is who we're hopefully trying to pull here. As we get a legend card, it looks like. Interesting. Not bad. Definitely very, very decent. We got Daniel Jones with Danny Dimes. Yeah, he's fun to pull. But again, like I said, if we were looking at a 2019 pack or box, that Danny Dimes would be amazing. But this is not 2019. We get a not a Hollywood Brown. Sorry guys, I'm looking at these cards. I'm just absolutely missing these cards. Not bad, George Kittle right there. We get a Steve Young though, old school, and that's gonna finish off our pack for that right there. Now, we're going to open up all these packs at once, so it's not going to be like it's broken down in anything. It's just all the packs at one time. But let's go ahead and flip it over. Okay, we get a fullback. We get a running back. Not bad. Carlos Edwards-Helaire. Flip this around. We get the little code thing. And this is going to be Aaron Donald. Not bad. Reflector. Not a bad pull right there. And then we get Jerry Rice right here. Old school. So I'm not sure if every pack is guaranteed to get an old school player. I mean, hey, I'll take it. Not too bad. We get a Jets starting off right away right here. Again, get that little collectible out of the way. A collectible, it's, it's I think it's like a code for you can use online and stuff. Nothing too crazy special. Anyway, though, right here we get in, is that AJ Brown? Looks like, okay. And we get a Jets got game to finish this off, actually. Not bad. I might brighten this video a little bit. It kind of looks a little dark, the video. So I'm probably going to brighten it before I upload it to you guys. But just keep in mind that what you're seeing right now might look a little bit different than what it might have looked like originally. So anyway, right here we get Jonathan Taylor, who actually, Jonathan Taylor is interesting. Because Jonathan Taylor, he has been, kind of weird. The Colts backfield right now is like a mix of all 3, Jonathan Taylor, Wilkinson, and Nyheim Hines. So it's like none of those 3 are ever going to take off. And Taylor is the rookie. So of course he's the guy you want to look for and get his cards in case he does take off. And we get another Steve Young right there, but it doesn't look like he's taking off at the moment. So we have to wait and see what ends up happening to him. Leonard Fournette, who actually went to the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. And we get a Buffalo Bills triple combo right there with Josh Allen in the middle. Not bad. I mean, again, like I said, it's not bad to get these quarterbacks like Josh Allen or get Kyler Murray. It's just not what we're trying to target. We're trying to target these other players like, again, like I said, like, Joe Burrow, because he is a rookie, he is young, and of course his card value is the top right now. As we get a Patrick Mahomes MVP reflector, and then following it off with a Lamar Jackson. So not bad. Again, like I said, this is why I love opening up packs. I love football, Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh, basketball, because I love pulling these cards. I mean, sometimes these cards, like that Stafford, goes for absolutely nothing. This card goes for absolutely nothing. But yet, it's still fun to pull them because you never know what you're going to get. You could get something kind of crazy. Right here, we get a Sap. Not bad. And we get a Le'Veon Bell. Pittsburgh Steelers. Nice. Actually, is that Bell? I believe that's Bell. I don't know. Looks like Bell. 26, though. I mean, probably not. That's actually Benny Snell's. That's not Bell. Same number, but I think Benny Snell Jr. took his number. And we get a Drew Brees in the back here, so we're gonna see what that is in a second. But starting off right with the Buffalo Bills, we get a quarterback. Looks like what's that guy's name? Can't think of the guy's name off the top of my head. We get a Packers right there. We have a Drew Brees, like I said, and that is a nice card. I mean, absolutely beauty. It is numbered, as you can see, out of 99. An absolute gorgeous pull right there. Definitely got to sleeve that one up. That one is definitely a sleeve up right there. Go ahead and move this pack out of the way. And let's go ahead and start off with a Jared Goff. Goffington. Very nice. Right here we get a Texan. It's backwards, which means it's going to be autographed. And not the best autograph in the world. Definitely not the best autograph in the world, but definitely still decent. As we get a Viking, and we finish it off with an Adam Thielen here. Wow, okay. He actually did have a good game last week against the Bears, so not too mad. I mean, he's nothing too crazy, as he used to be a lot more special. He's not as special anymore, but still a nice pull nonetheless. Right here, we go ahead and get another Jets card. Again, not too bad. Joe Flacco is actually looking a little bit decent for the Jets. I think he is announced the starter next week for the Jets, as we finish it off with a Matthew Stafford Silver Prism. So that's actually not that bad. All right, continuing this pack opening. Let's see what we get out of this pack. Starting off right away with a Herman Moore. Cool, not a bad looking card. Now, the thing about these, a lot of these cards is most of these cards are silvers, but they're not silver prisms. And that's the difference, guys, when it comes to silver versus silver prism. A silver prism goes for a crap ton more like this. You can see this is a silver prism. The rainbow effect means it's a prism card, and that automatically goes for a lot more than it does if it's not a silver prism. So if you see the little prism, you see the little, silver stuff in there, that means it goes for automatically more. As right here, we get a pool in the end. We definitely have a pool this pack. As right here, we get a Joe Burrow, and this is not a silver prism. It is not numbered, and that's absolutely sad, because if it was a prism and it was numbered, it would be a lot more expensive and worth a lot more overall. But nonetheless, let's get into another pack here, and let's see what we get out of this pack. As we start off right away with a Pittsburgh Steeler. Not bad at all. Let's go ahead and look into the next one. Juju Smith-Schuster, actually not bad. We got a Buffalo Bill. We got a Tampa Bay Buccaneers item right there. And we got Josh Allen. And again, this was 2019. All these Josh Allen, Sam Donald, cards we're pulling, we would be absolutely ecstatic. But of course, this is 2020. As we get a Michael Vick. The Michael Vickington. Anyway, right here we get a CD Lamb. Not a bad pull, definitely, for all the Cowboys fans out there. Right here we get a Deshaun Watson, and we get a Silver Prism Lamar Jackson. So not bad pull at all. Silver Prism Lamar. Definitely very, very decent pull right there. Not mad about this. Let's clean up the surface. Can't get these cards dirty, because when we pull the Silver Prism of Joe Burrow, we're going to be talking about some fire right there. Right here, we do go ahead and get an Eddie George starting off the pack right away. Not bad. Right here, we're going to go ahead and get a flip around card. Let's see who ends up being this card. And it ends up being okay. Not too bad. We get a Joe Namath, though, and that's going to finish off our pack with the old school. I wonder how many old school cards we actually pulled this pack opening. Definitely interesting. Now, this pack opening, of course, was a total of, 30 packs? Yeah, 30 packs, 120 cards. So it was a good amount of cards. As we get a TJ Watt right here, and very nice card. Definitely a young, promising player who could become one of the top elite players, unlike T.Y. Hilton, who's kind of done in Indianapolis now that Philip Rivers is a quarterback. I don't really see T.Y. Hilton being anything too special, but like LT is on the field right there. Tom Brady, wow. Talk about two GOATs back to back in that pack. Definitely very, very cool. Not for money wise, just for overall greatness wise. And right here, we do go ahead and get another decent player, not bad. And finishing it off with, of course, a Washington football team member who I think, yeah, all the cards should say Washington football team still. Because this is 2020 and this is what 2019, 2018 packs. We might see a different name for the team. Starting off right away, we start off with another Cowboy here. Very, very nice pull. We get a Clyde Edwards-Helaire. And then we get a Josh Allen. Actually, not Josh Allen. Oh, my God. J.K. Dobbins. Oh, my God. I don't know why. Like, flipped upside down. I just, for some reason, my brain was like, oh, yeah, that's definitely not J.K. Dobbins, a Josh Allen card. Absolutely mind bungled there, right there, guys. Anyway, right here, we get a Lion card, which is not bad. We do go ahead and get a football team card. I don't even know what to call them. Do you just call them the football team? Like, I don't want to say Washington football team every single time. And I don't want to say it out the initials. WFT. So I'm just going to start calling them football team. But it's kind of be funny. It's just like, oh, hey, yeah, look, the football team. Anyway, that's starting off right away. We start with Tampa Bay Buccaneer. Gonna go ahead and now get into another. No, okay. Not silver. Not silver. Not freaking out. Right here we get a Buffalo Bill. And that's not Josh Allen, I don't think. And we get a Kyler Murray card. Very nice. Again, even if you do pull Kyler, if you get like a silver prism or something, it's gonna go for a good amount of moolah. So that's definitely nice. Right here, we got the same card twice, bro. I feel like this is gonna happen a lot, though. I feel like we're gonna get the same card a couple of times, so I would not be surprised if we get the same card a couple of times. Right here, though, let's go and get into the next pack opening here. It's gonna go ahead and be. Let's see what we get here. Okay, Derek, is that not Derek Brooks? Actually, wait, no, that's an old guy too. These guys' names escape me sometimes. Right here, we do go ahead and get a Giants player. Not bad, finishing off that pack. Only a couple packs left. Let's see what we can get out of it. Hopefully something pretty decent. Let's go ahead and flip this around. We get a Patriots player starting off this pack. Not Silver Prism. We get a not Silver Prism? No, this is not a Prism card. That sucks. Right here, we do go ahead and get number 11. Not bad at all. Clemson, too. And, interesting. And, of course, right here, we get a Peyton Manning, the GOAT of non-GOATs. Let's go ahead and get the next pack opening. We're going to go ahead and start off with a Brian Urlacher. And I don't know why when I saw this at first, that's not Urlacher. Anyway, though, we get an autograph card. It's an autograph. Oh, my God, that is a nice. I like that autograph. As I was saying, no, I don't know why when I saw that card, I thought it was Joe Flacco for a second. Like, my brain was just like, I saw a 5 and I'm like, definitely Joe Flacco. Guys, I'm telling you right now, it's been a long day. It's actually my birthday today, guys. Okay, it's my birthday. We're opening up some packs for a video, and I'm absolutely going bonkers when it comes to this because this was a huge pack opening, in all honesty. All right, let's start off with a Cowboy again. There's a lot of Cowboys this pack opening. Guys, we pulled a crap ton of Cowboys in this pack opening, honestly. Definitely a lot of Cowboys. Right here, though, we're going to go ahead and pull another Cowboy, Emmitt Smith. Absolutely crazy. another one. I need that DJ Cowie. Another one, man. As we pull another Cowboy. Right here, we got Sam Darnold. Again, not a Silver Prism. Even if we do pull a Silver Prism out of these packs, it's still going to be worth something. It's still worth definitely something. I think this pack opening so far, we got, 2 autograph cards, right? 2 or 3 autograph cards. So not bad. As we get a Aaron Jones, and a whole entire setup right there. Very, very nice. Right here, though, we're going to go ahead and pull our next player here. Ends up being a Panther, a Raider, Las Vegas Raiders. Let me say their name correctly. Right here, not bad card. And finishing off with the same exact Peyton Manning we got before. Let's go ahead and see what we got out of this pack opening. Let's go ahead and rip that pack open. And we're going to go ahead and start off right away with a Washington football team. Scary Lauren. Oh my God, Scary Terry. I cannot speak right now, guys. Like I said, long day, a lot of football games watching today, and I'm very excited about the Cardinals. I'm actually watching Cardinals Seahawks as we speak. I have it on my monitor right up there, right above the pack opening. Anyway, they're right here. Not a bad pull. And this is our last pack of the video. We get Lamar Jackson. Not bad. We get Aaron Rodgers. Discount double check. And we finish it off with a Cowboy. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.